Okay, so here we go then. I'm going to be running let's call it isolation boot camp on the 30th of March till the 3rd of April. Obviously, we're in lockdown, which is difficult times ahead for everybody, and I just thought we could make the most of that by putting together a boot camp. So normally I run residential boot camps Monday to Friday. People come and stay with us for 5 days, and I'm just going to try and replicate that as best I can with minimum equipment required, and try to deliver the sessions on YouTube. So it will include 3 fitness sessions a day, Monday through till the Friday, 2 on the Friday, shall I say. There'll be a couple of presentations each day, just talking through a little bit of information about performance, flexibility, nutrition, mental strength, specifically within the training environment. And yeah, pretty much everything that I deliver on a regular residential boot camp will be delivered over the next 5 days next week. You are interested in this? Simply just click follow on the YouTube button, and also I'll provide details on there for my Facebook page, which has a dedicated page for this boot camp. Cool. We're working hard to get all the recipes sorted out. The whole idea is that we put together a menu for the week. I've had to adjust it because instead of our chef making the food and being able to buy in enough ingredients for, say, 18 people, I'm just trying to go through it so that if we use some ingredients on the Monday or Tuesday, then we can reuse them again. So the recipes will be following what we use at boot camp, but they'll be repeated a couple of times. But you'll grasp that, and we're collating that information together at the moment, and we'll upload it onto that Facebook page, which you can see the link for below. And the whole idea is before next Monday, 12 o'clock, you'll have gone out, done all your shopping. You can prep any food in advance at the weekend, so when it comes to next week, you're not caught out with time to be able to prepare the food for yourself. I have said that you only need an exercise mat for this boot camp. However, I would advise you to go out and purchase another couple of items. Nothing massive, just a couple of resistance bands, a foam roller, and if you're training with a partner, you can get yourself some boxing pads and boxing mitts. If you're training on your own, it's not a problem, and you'll need a skipping rope as well. Okay, so please make sure you have all that stuff ready to go for boot camp next Monday. If there's any questions, just fire them below, and myself and Sue and Herbie and Missy will do our best to answer them over the coming week. And yeah, let's I think the only thing I'm worried about with the boot camp next week, what makes our boot camps massive, is the interaction of people during the week and the positivity. So I'm just trying to think of ways of being able to get you guys to interact with each other, encourage each other. So watch this space for that. Yeah, awesome. Right, well, that's me. I'm gonna sort of finish off there, and we'll catch up. I'll catch up with you. I'll put a small video together tomorrow once we've got the recipe sorted. Cheers.